You need to change your engine oil. Maybe not right now, but you will, and even though it's the most basic of car maintenance procedures, you may have some questions. It's simple to see whether you're running low. Find the filler cap and dipstick on your engine. The filler cap has the details of what kind of oil your engine takes, but you'll need the dipstick to see the level. Remove the dipstick and wipe it clean. Then insert for a moment and remove again. Your dipstick will have a series of marks indicating a safe oil level. Keeping up to date on your oil changes is one of the best ways to extend your engine life and, in turn, the life of your entire vehicle. If you have a warranty attached to said vehicle, you must do your oil changes on schedule or else it will be voided by your manufacturer. There is an alarming difference between the quality of materials used by aftermarket companies and OEM when it comes to filters. The filtration paper on this aftermarket brand is half as thick as the OEM filter, and the coil spring, which is used to account for the variation in oil temperature flowing through the filter, is much more prone to leaking. The oil in your engine serves a number of purposes, including cooling, cleaning, lubricating, and protecting from corrosion. This is just another reason we encourage you to visit us so we can use factory-suggested parts and oil during your service. You can book a service appointment with us online at www.ajaxhyundai.com or by calling 905-427-0111. We're located south of the 401 in Ajax at 170 Westney Road South. And as always, please drive safe.